2020 is set to be the year of video content in the online world. So having your own YouTube channel and uploading videos, I believe, is now essential for every business owner and brand. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to correctly set up your YouTube channel and upload your first video as well, and that's coming up right now. Hey there, Mark Warnken here, your social media for business expert. And if this is your first time here, this channel is all about helping you grow your business or brand using LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and a whole lot more. So hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date with everything social media. I release videos just like this one every week, and you definitely don't want to be missing out on them. As we move into year 2020, hopefully your mind is getting around thinking, this needs to be the year for me to set up my YouTube channel and start uploading videos. Because if not, you will definitely and well and truly get left behind. You see, video content is now the preferred way your customers and clients would rather engage with you, your business and brand. And equally, video content is one of the most effective ways for you to communicate as well. So let's go to some live screen action now, and you can follow my mouse as I show you how to correctly set up a YouTube channel so it positions you as someone with skills and knowledge and expertise in your industry. And secondly, I'm going to show you how to correctly upload your first video as well. So by the end of this exercise, you will have your YouTube channel set up and you will know exactly what to do to have your first video online. So let's go to some live screen action now, and you can follow my mouse as we go through that whole process.
So here we are with a screenshot of my YouTube channel, and this will be the end result of where we want to get to. So we're going to go through step by step and work out all of these particular components that you want to correctly set up and optimize and piece together setting up your own YouTube channel. So the first one is you want to decide on the channel name. I've gone with a description of my own personal name and my business name, Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123. So for most people, it will be their business name or their brand name, their own personal name, or a combination of all of that. You then want to decide on the channel art. See around the yellow box here, that's your channel art. It's the equivalent to your LinkedIn banner image or Facebook cover image, that type of thing. So you're wanting to make it pop because it's a very visual part of your channel. We then have over here your profile image. I've gone out with a picture of myself, but for most people it will probably be their business brand or logo, that type of thing. Over here, you then want to see if you can activate this section here, free downloads or free fast start templates, and then I've got my icons over here for Facebook, Google, or Google's been deleted now, Facebook and LinkedIn and Instagram and Twitter and a whole lot more. So you're really wanting to bring your channel to life by fully setting it up, fully optimizing it. And once you start uploading videos, you then get the opportunity for uploading a featured video for returning subscribers, or even for new subscribers, you then get to upload what's called a channel trailer video as well. So these are all the components that you would want to get to setting up your YouTube channel. So, and Google and YouTube want you to have a good looking channel, because channels that are set up and optimized in all the right areas generate more traffic and more eyeballs, and Google and YouTube will actually help promote your YouTube channel a little bit more if you just go through these very simple steps. Now behind the scenes there is actually a few components as well. This is the description area, and we're going to be going and showing you how to do that in less than a minute. Down the bottom here again, this is where you activate all of those links to Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and any free giveaways that you have as well. So, but step one, before you even get to that step of setting up your channel, you need to make sure you have a Gmail account. You need to be able to log into your Gmail account, and then from that, you then go through the steps of setting up your YouTube channel. Google own YouTube, so that actually makes you have a Gmail account. Now, for most people, they probably do, but if you don't, you will need to open a Gmail account. And then you will come to this screen. So up the top right, you'll click on the 9 little dots there within the box, and then you will click on YouTube. This is the actual steps, and you'll be able to rewind and follow this video step by step. You'll then come to this particular page, and then you'll click on My Channel over here on the left-hand side. And then it's going to ask you, okay, now what do you want to name? What do you want to name your channel? It's asking, do you want to name it? Now I logged in as Mark Warnken. It's asking me into my Gmail, that is. Do I want to name my channel my own name, or do I want to click down the bottom here and then I can update it and change it to a business name or a brand name? Relatively simple. It does get a little bit confusing along the way. One of the little confusing components is they ask you to create a brand account, but you just click through those little steps and then you're pretty much all done. Eventually, you will end up on this particular page where you are halfway down the track to setting up your YouTube channel. So I've named this demonstration YouTube channel, how to set up a YouTube channel. So I've been very creative, but this is where you will decide whether it's your own business name, your own brand, or a combination of what I've done on my channel, Mark Warnken Social Media Selling 123. So whatever best suits you, your business or brand. I've already uploaded a logo, pretty straightforward there. You click on that. Now, the channel art can be a little bit tricky. So click on the box to add your channel art. That step is straightforward, but sometimes sizing it correctly can be a little bit tricky. I've actually used Canva to actually customize a sign. Canva is a design website. It's fantastic. But I'm going to upload my channel image and it all looks good there, and I'm going to press select, and it should now update the channel art area here for me. So now the channel art size is, YouTube will tell you you want to make it pixels 2560 times 1440, which is correct, and that allows you to be seen across all of the platforms. But the safe zone, this is the sizing that I found works best, 1446 pixels times 423. So you're wanting to get your channel art size correctly. It can be a little bit fiddly, but once you've got it done, it's all set up and correct. And you do want to spend a little bit of time on that, because first impressions really count, and you're wanting to make someone who lands on your channel, them to be impressed straight away with what you've done and the image is sized correctly, etc. So we've done that. We've got the channel name, we've got your profile image, we've got your channel art all set up. I want you to go now to this gear icon over here, and we are going to customize the layout of your channel, and then it's going to bring up all of these particular tabs, and these tabs are now activated down here. Pretty straightforward, isn't it? So what we now want to go to is your home page. We now want to go to the home. We've got homes, we've got no videos, playlists, channels, about section. We actually want to go to the about section and start letting Google and YouTube and the business community around the world, or anyone interested in YouTube around the world, we are wanting to start letting them know what our particular channel is all about. And those links, remember on my Facebook, my YouTube channel over here, I've got these clickable links to my Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn profile. This is how we're going to do that on this particular channel as well. So channel description, what do we want? Well, I've actually got a little bit of information pre-populated here. So I'm going to copy that and I am going to put it into the channel description here. So you're wanting to add, I found the first line is you're wanting to add your business or brand name, because that's what people will see, you know, when you're liking and commenting, and the first line of your description area. You're wanting to make it a reinforcing of who, you know, your business or your brand, things like that. The second line is you're wanting to add your website, or if you're sending people to a download page or a clickable link, that type of thing. Again, make that your second line here of the about section. And further down, this is where you get to add some details about who you are, what you do, why you do it, and how you help. You get to, just as you would have on your website or your Facebook page or LinkedIn profile or any of your social media platforms, you're telling everyone a little bit about what your channel is all about. Now, once you have gone and correctly set up your YouTube channel, you will end up getting a URL. Well, we've already got one here at the top already. So here's the URL. So what I do is I copy and paste that URL into the description, because I'm then already giving my own channel a backlink to my channel. It's a little technicality. It's a little way that you know, helps with search engine SEO rankings, that type of thing. But once you've set up and you do have your URL, add it to the bottom there saying, hey, Click here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, just in case someone hasn't subscribed and they're scrolling through your About section. Equally, you're wanting to add playlists. Once you've started populating your channel with videos and the like, start adding the playlist URLs to the description area as well. What else did I have? Now we come to these clickable links down the bottom. So the clickable links down the bottom of the page, before we get to that, you can add your email address, you add your location. I'm going to add for Australia where I am. I won't put in an email address because there's no need to actually do that for this demonstration. No, so this is how we add the clickable links. So the first one I'm going to add is, what did I have it over here as? Subscribe now. So this is a landing page that I send people to download one of my free giveaways that I have. So I'm going to put subscribe now, and that will become a clickable link on, if I can spell properly, that will then become a clickable link on my YouTube channel art, and I'll show everyone exactly how we do that as well. And I'm going to add some more links here as well, so I think people get the idea of what I'm actually trying to do. The next one I will add will be to my Facebook business page. So the reason I'm doing this, I'm giving every opportunity for someone to stay along my, or on my brands, and if they then want to go and see me on Facebook or LinkedIn or YouTube, that type of thing, it'll be relatively easy for them to actually do all that. I'm making it easy for them to click on and stay amongst all of my own personal branding and social media sites. So you actually get then 5 little links here that you can populate. So I've gone and populated all of them. The first one I've put is subscribe now, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. We've done our description up the top. We are pretty much now all done. I'm going to click done, and I'm going to click done here. And if we're going to go back to now and view our channel, there we go. We are all set up and ready to go. You have your business logo. You have your channel art correctly sized for YouTube, and it's an eye-catching image. We have our clickable links over here on the side. So if now someone clicks on that Facebook link or Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, it will take them to my other social media pages as well. So that's pretty much how to correctly set up your YouTube channel for success. So Google and YouTube love you. Spend a little bit of time doing this. So many people just skip over this particular part. Now, if you're a very popular person and you've got, thousands of followings or millions of people following you, you can, in a lot of cases, get by without doing all this, and your videos will then start, being seen and watched, and your channel will just skyrocket. But for the vast majority, the 95% of business owners and brands, you want to spend time correctly setting up your YouTube channel, just as you did your website, just as you would do your Facebook page, your Instagram page, your LinkedIn profile, all of that. But once you've done all that, your YouTube channel is set up and optimized correctly. Use mine as a bit of a guide. While you're having a look at mine, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well, but you'll be able to scroll through mine and use it as a bit of a guide. You then move on to the next phase of uploading lots and lots of YouTube videos to help promote your business or brand. So back to my YouTube channel. So to upload your first video, I'm just going to go up to the top right, and I'm going to click the plus signal, upload video. It's all relatively straightforward, but I know for a lot of people who haven't actually gone through this process before, it can be a little bit confusing. And we select here to upload a video file. So here is my finished video file that is on my computer. So I select there, I press open, and the upload process actually starts to happen now. So as you can see down the bottom here, it's already uploading the video. It's already uploaded 3%, another 19 minutes to go. It's pre-populated the title there from the file name that I had with that. So I would copy and paste that again and start filling in the description below, that type of thing. Now, I actually have separate videos on how to correctly upload videos, your title, your description, your thumbnails that you want to select, More options then would be adding your tags to your videos. But this is a very simple process on that last step of actually uploading a video, the title, the description, the thumbnail, the tags. I will put the link to my video that explains that in more detail below in the comments section. You then would select your language. You would then select next, and then basically once the video has uploaded, the final time you press next or completed or upload, your video will go live on your YouTube channel. So that was the last step on how to actually upload your video.
So there we go. Hopefully you found this video informative, entertaining and helpful, and you now have your own YouTube channel set up, and you're even on the way, or you actually have done or uploaded your first video as well. And if you've done all that, what I'd like you to do is put the link below to your channel in the comments below. I'd love to check out your YouTube channel and maybe even give you a bit of a review as well. While you're there, if you're watching this video on YouTube, hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date with all of my video content just like this. I release them every week and you definitely don't want to be missing out on them. Equally, you may be watching this on Facebook. If so, give me the thumbs up on Facebook, like my Facebook page. You can follow my content there as well. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123 signing off, and I look forward to seeing you lots more in year 2020.